bless, highly bless. Yeah man, Professor Bingy said blessed love, seeing, and we are saying we're there, I want river here, all a little meditation for the New Year's. Yeah, Bingy just want to say, big up all of the people for the New Year, you know. I them to find some peace and tranquility in themselves, just like how the river flowing right here. Peace and tranquil, peaceful and tranquil. Yeah, find some peace and tranquility in thyself. Yeah, and just hold a meditation. Highly bless. Yeah man. I'll bless my people. Professor at it again. You don't know my style, don't? Yeah man, straight. You know some there so with my family there. I call them family because of some family, real family. And me and them are all throughout the holiday. Them watch the program, them forward on Jamaica. And me and tell us the people, yeah, we just a roll of meds and I go through. See? So today we're up on the river, you know, and see where we are going to bounce here. Yeah. We'll make some ackee and some red orange. We don't know them old time style, not sure. Yeah man. We have a Scotch bonnet pepper with tomato, with garlic, with onion and everything to spice it up. And guess what we are doing it with? Some original bush yam. See them here? Yeah man. See them here? Yeah man. A while yam them I will grow a bush. See them here? Yeah. Rentas half yam. Seeing? And some boiled banana. Seeing? So we dip on the ends, you know. And the people them there. Virgin there, so I take a one shot. Fully. Fully?
You know.
That is it.
One.
What do you mean?
Big up yourself, father. Right?
Aye,
yeah, well, I find the whole work. Well, our family, them, right?
Yeah, man. Yeah. We're going to look some coal. Yeah. Everybody there about Papina and phone. Yeah. I play games. Michelle over here playing games too. Yeah. Alright, so we're at it. Seeing? That's how we do it. We just stay at Jamaica and we have fun. Yeah, man. So that's how we are dealing with it, you know. Yeah, rather in a ackee. Seeing? Yeah, the super regular now.
Yeah, man. No hot water, cold water.
Cold water, you hear that, people?
Yeah.
Cold water.
You want to cook red herring. No put hot water upon red herring, yeah?
Aye.
Cold water.
Yeah, and just strip them off.
Yeah, and clean them up. You don't have to put salt in the ackee unless you love excessive salt, yeah?
Same way, sir.
But it will be so flavored, balanced.
You hear that, people? That's how we are dealing with it today.
Yeah, we have a process the red herring. You have to pick up, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The same look nice and clean and pretty. Everything skin strip off of him. Yeah.
It's not fair, no, it's not fair. This is a very delicate
procedure.
Texture. You did this kind of fish?
Yeah, the texture.
Yeah, you don't need no hot water. Even the bones them you can eat, yeah?
Right.
It's just how the chef know him thing and prepare him thing.
Right, because this is like a smoked herring. Yeah, it's been smoked for a while and put on well preserved, seasoned to the bones. Why people remember when people used to roast all red herring for newspaper.
Yeah man, I eat with roast yam too.
I eat with roast yam, roast breadfruit, roast anything, roast cocoa. Anything you have to roast, you roast. And not box it to the red herring. You have like a coconut oil and dash pan that. Oh my lord.
The coconut oil. So
yeah, and we have it too. Cause it we have work with.
We are in that, yeah?
Yeah man, the real authentic Jamaican coconut oil. See? Boiled and processed down in that way, naturally, you know. Yeah. And we don't go anywhere without the Scotch bonnet pepper, you know, because this is a very serious spice in Jamaica. The Scotch
we
bonnet.
use them both ways. Right, and green, anywhere you take it.
Anywhere. Scotch bonnet, happy use, not sure.
Definitely.
Aye,
Flavor.
up.
Fermenter.
Watch your food pot. A bubble with the people. Yeah man, cornmeal, dumpling and soft yam and banana. Yeah. Yeah, come over here, so a bubble too. Oh gosh. We eating good in Jamaica, no what I feel no way. Real authentic food we eat here. Eat them people. Yeah, we are saute all of the seasoning them in the coconut oil.
Red, green and gold. Stick. Look at that.
Ice green and gold. Quite pretty man. Okay. Aye. Yeah.
We put on the decoration.
Yeah.
Right there.
In there. Yeah, me also.
We're going to add a little more coconut oil.
Yeah man, a little more coconut oil. Anything less is uncivilized. Yeah. This look good already, people. Ain't not done yet, me I tell you people. Look excellent already, ain't not finished. So you can imagine. Yeah. I look like the Rasta mash up, brethren. Jaja youth. Jaja youth. I hope you feel better soon here, sir.
They can mash me up better.
Jaja. Jaja.
Tomorrow we can't go back and know what we
Don't forget the herbs.
What them say again?
Don't forget the herbs.
Don't forget the what?
The herb.
What you say 6 mag?
Rum and boom.
Boss say rum and boom. Yeah man, we just there all the meds as usual. 6 days drinking rum and boom and I ask the gravy.
Why?
Yes.
Why?
Over his hair. Yes, and these 2 beautiful princesses. Watch them now. Hey, hey. Pretty girls.
Say hello. Hello. Say hello, world.
Right.
Hello.
Yes.
Hello, world.
Hi. Hi. Yeah man, that is it man. Big boss, so you saw all the meds. Big up yourself, my boss. Every time. Yes, I. Yeah, and your big son.
Yeah, we saw
What you mean? Which is right. Beer love enough flowing in the air. And which is right. I am blessed. That is it, people. Yeah man, that's how we do it, you know. We just there at Jamaica, yeah, we have fun. Seeing how we have eat and drink. Michelle in the car back. Watch her. Watch her, I'm ass out. How you hide up, Michelle?
I play my game.
You play a game.
Yeah, man.
You occupy your time, your recreation.
Yeah, man.
Nothing wrong with that. Highly blessed man. That is it.
Ah, see that? Big.
Up and running. Alright. So the lady is sharing. Herfa is doing the sharing, the dishing out. Yes. You want me to drain off some of the water there for you?
Yeah, man.
Make it easier, don't?
In a minute.
Yeah. Yeah. Right. I must Dennis make a dumpling here. Put them on.
Under one, yeah.
Under one there. Jesus, look one then. And then you call dumpling.
And here come my dumpling.
You know. Yo. Oh, pear, yeah, man. We say one of them good? Them ripe? Both of them ripe, right?
Yeah, the one that...
I'm going to go overripe. We can't feed it.
No, sir, I know overripe. Can I eat, man?
Slice of vegetable.
Yeah, man. We have avocado. We call it pear, we don't call it avocado. Up in the States there, it's the same thing. Okay. But we have the Jamaican pear, them nice and drier. Yeah. Ale.
You want to go on, Danny?
9.
Tender?
I eat that. You want about 9 or 10.
Yeah. Watch ya know. Dumpling I eat over here, so. The dumpling nice? Hmm?
Yes.
Yes. You like dumpling? Like a dumpling? Yeah? Alright. Eat dumpling. You can eat after all of that? You can eat after all of that?
Which Which one?
Dumpling. But everybody I mash up them food.
Yeah, yeah.
Where's the puppy?
Mm.
That
Good.
is it?
Yeah, that's it.
I lay.
Where the other guy food? In the earth.
Yeah, man, that's how we
When
eat
we
the
wake up?
riverside.
Bring it tastes good.
More, that's it.
We want
More chimbablin.
Say one dumpling. Say
one
more
tree dumpling.
Yes.
Alright.
Eat that first, the plate can't hold it.
Yeah, time to grub.
So much me I eat?
That's so much I eat?
Yes, I'm got river.
Oh, you mean?
So much river, I'm hungry again.
River water make you hungry enough, people. Remember that. So when you come a river, we cook enough.
Puppy.
Highly. Yeah, this is what I'm talking about. The unity, the strength, togetherness. Yes, my people. Well, they are Swift River here. And I tell us that place is airy. Yeah. And water is crispy and nice and cool. See? And the same water the whole village and community use. Yeah. For occupy them thing. Yeah. This is the water that they use to service them house and everything. See? So I feel now we use cooked and everything. Nice and pure, crispy, nice water. Highly. Where over here going with? Eh? Yo, you know the woman over there, so?
Yeah.
You agree with that? Eh?
That's your lady, yeah.
Fatty day, man.
Fatty video.
Is that she like?
To mash up your blood.
Eh?
Yeah,
You can't
man.
manage that six?
Yeah, man, you fatty there?
You can't manage that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I want that some shit. Why? Yeah, boy. Yeah, man, some more than that.
Mood all day.
More.
Mood all day.
Yeah, boy.
Oh,
Man.
Four Ghana.
I tell you about first man. Cheated.
Yes, she look good. Yes, she look good, six.
Yeah, I'm going to man.
Yeah? See how deal with it? Wicked, man. Tap it. Boy, tap it. The King Johnny there. The King Johnny there. I want a reasoning.
Charlie. Oi.
Oi,
No,
what about the bad word?
Oi, that man. No room.
Alright. Alright. Johnny, I say you go on, Papa.
Papa.
Hello, sir.
Papa. Let me ask more two room. Two water.
From this time, my person gone, which does the whole year. And I appreciate I'm here to tap into the system to see the new year. So what you and your friend are saying, I'm gonna enjoy my moment to the highest level. So no matter what you want with video, you and your friend them and send out to the media. I don't give a F about that. You can tell them about it later on.
Yeah, I think. I got two room, sir. Yeah, I got sick.
You want one?
Yeah, me one.
Take one. Take one, chichi man. Take one, chichi man. Take one. Bingy don't like rum. Bingy don't like rum.
I love bless. I'm a virgin in this, you know, so Dennis. This is the man where I go promote the show. And them man you feed the poor where they see from the man take it from the infirmary to the rehabilitation center, so down in the town square, 2-3 different spots in the town square, just driving around looking for people.
Yeah, man.
See?
I say go in there, we have to give back. So who have you not want to give back, that's their problem. But when you can't afford it, give back, man. A blessing.
And as I said, if you have it, you can afford it, and you're not giving back, that is not good for you as an individual. And you and your friend them need to know that. If you have it and you can whatsoever tap into the system, let's do it. But if you're not doing it, I don't want to hear you. I'm not going to even smile in the face.
You hear that? People. Johnny said you and your friend them dig that.
Exactly.
Because you want now. On a serious note, it is very important.
It is very important.
Read between the lines.
I lay.
It's six. What's it?
How many years? Two room, boy. Two room. I'm watching. Oi, I got two water. I'm watching.
Why? It's always a pleasure. We just finally get to meet the original Six Boss. You know what I mean? But there I go and hold a vibe on the beach. You know what I say? With the professor himself, One Mermaid World.
Oi, what are you?
With the boss.
What are you?
There I go and hold a vibe, overall settings, in the building.
I Six Boss.
And Six Boss there. I represent over 500 interviews with some of your favorite artists. You know what I say? We do treats. You know what I mean? We give back to the community all the while. You know what I mean? Do remember Overall Settings podcast on YouTube. You know what I mean? Good Soup is the movie. We have one heap of movie from One Mermaid World as well. So you already know how it go. And we are the professor of the link. I'm going to find a new link.
I'm big in this, man.
I am a link.
Alright, big in this.
Alright then.
So give us some information now, how the people them tuned in on the podcast. But give us some information.
Alright, so basically you can link with over 11 different platforms. Our main platform right now is YouTube, Facebook, but you also can link with all of your podcast platforms. So that means to say Google Podcasts, Apple Podcasts, all of them. Anywhere where you can go get podcasts, there's some Overall Settings there. You
and the name of the thing?
Overall Settings Podcast.
Hear that? Overall Settings Podcast. People register that in the brain. Overall settings podcast. May I tell you, them tune in, you won't be disappointed. Lots of information, lots of opportunities also. Highly in a real life. So go over and check the thing out. Professor said that, you know. One love. Big up on yourself. Highly up top.
Oh!